Hello and welcome to Medical Dialogues. I'm Dr. Bhumika Maikuri. Let's look at today's top headlines. Junior doctor files exemption plea in Ajikar financial irregularities case. Another junior doctor, accused in multi-crore financial irregularities at State-run Ajikar Medical College and Hospital in Kolkata, on Tuesday, submitted an exemption petition seeking relief from the charges in the case at a special court. The case related to the financial irregularities registered by the Central Bureau of Investigation (CBI) came up for hearing at the special court on Tuesday afternoon, and during the course of hearing, Pandey's counsel moved the exemption petition, news agency INS reported. Pandey's counsel Ananda Bandopadhyaya claimed that his client was innocent. Tragic incident in Jodhpur, 19-year-old NEET aspirant dies by suicide. In an unfortunate incident, a 19-year-old National Eligibility Entrance Test (NEET) aspirant allegedly committed suicide in Jodhpur. As per the police, the aspirant left a note seeking forgiveness. The police informed Rohit Bhati's body was found hanging in the hostel, and a suicide note was also found in the room, which read, "Sorry, forgive me, Chinnu." The police have started investigating to find out to whom he has apologized in the suicide note. Madras HC halts NIRF 2025 rankings amid allegations of malpractice and lack of transparency, on the plea that medical institutions with inadequate infrastructure and subpar academic standards were allegedly securing high rankings under the National Institutional Ranking Framework (NIRF). The Madras High Court has issued an interim stay order restraining the Union Ministry of Education and the National Board of Accreditation (NBA) from publishing the NIF ranking 2025. Delhi government unveils 1 lakh rupees crore budget with emphasis on healthcare, education and infrastructure. The BJP-led Delhi government has increased the health budget by 31.5% for the 2025-26 financial year, allocating funds to support flagship initiatives such as Ayushman Bharat, Pradhan Mantri Jan Arogya Yojana, set up to new medical colleges and at 16,186 beds in government hospitals. According to the media report, Delhi Chief Minister Rekha Gupta presented the 2025-26 budget in the Assembly, announcing a significant push to strengthen the capital's healthcare infrastructure. That's all for today. Stay tuned to Medical Dialogues for latest updates.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.